Tonight only on Fox 40, a local K9 handler and his four-legged partner are sharing their story after being deployed to the flooding in Texas and the deadly Esparto fireworks explosion. Fox 40's Kimberly Cruz has more after speaking exclusively with that K9 handler.
We were able to speak to K9 handler Brandon Anderson and his partner Olaf. Now, they are part of Sacramento's Urban Search and Rescue Task Force 7 team. There are only 8 teams like this in the state, and they've been undergoing training for over a year now. And this month, they were deployed to their first 2 assignments.
Good boy, heel. Good boy. Sit.
On the surface, this 2-year-old Doberman,
He's not a toy guy. He loves food more than anything.
looks and acts like a regular pet.
Originally, he was supposed to be a pet in the home, and after 6 months, we realized he was not going to make a very good family pet from his energy. He's always walking around the house searching for food, for stuffed animals. My daughter's 6, and she has stuffed animals everywhere, and they didn't last.
That's when Brandon Anderson
Good job, buddy.
knew Olaf's qualities could be used for a bigger purpose.
Heel. Down. Wait.
The duo has spent over a year training as part of the Sacramento Urban Search and Rescue Task Force 17.
They smell 15 times as well as we do. He weighs 60 pounds. I weigh 230. I can't go the places he went.
The pair answering their first call to service just this month. They were deployed here to the deadly Esparto fireworks explosion to assist in the search and recovery efforts.
When we got called out, they'd already found all 7, but they wanted to make sure that they weren't missing anything. That was the first time ever doing a live, important mission.
Shortly after, Anderson and Olaf had their second assignment, this time out of the state to Texas, after the Guadalupe River flooded.
And that was a completely different animal. A lot of the searching was in water, in materials that we haven't trained in. The Camp Mystic, that was kind of the biggest focal point, was the 27 children, and I have a 6-year-old. So I can't even imagine being in that position.
Helping search through the debris for 10 days.
Here you go, buddy. You earned it.
Putting their countless hours of training into action, both in Esparto and in Texas.
Good job, buddy. Come on. Come on.
But the ultimate purpose?
Help families start the grieving process by having closure to what happened.
And Anderson tells us that both of these disasters were drastically different. So while they were out there, they were obviously learning new skills that they are now bringing back home and implementing into their everyday training so that they're ready for their next assignment. In Sacramento, covering local news that matters, Kimberly Cruz, Fox 40 News.